Yo, what's up everybody? Just arrived around 50 kilometers outside of Poznan to see this beautiful, abandoned, very old railway viaduct. What you see behind me, so cool. It's beautiful winter, it's minus 5 degrees. It was snowing all day yesterday. It's not that like much, 5-10 centimeters of snow, but it's like beautiful scenario in the middle of nowhere. Sometimes small travels are still better than no travels at all, and little bit of adventure. My goal today is to go to the top of this viaduct. I mean, I'm not gonna walk on the broken wooden thingy on the top of it, ale on the bricks structure for sure. As you can see, it's actually very old, but the trains are going there. I need to get up. Check this out. Partially is broken. Literally nobody here. So this is the little river, let's say, could say like that. And this is the huge viaduct. They made it just to cross this one. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? So actually you could cross the little river, let's say there, with the little bridge, but I found out actually here there are stairs. Check this out. There are proper stairs going up. Unfortunately, it's too narrow and it's too slippery to attempt this. I try it, actually. I get somewhere there, but even I go up, going down will be disaster. So better no risk. Probably when I was younger I will do it, but now either way I'm gonna find a different way. It will be actually really good to have a drone right now, so at least I could fly. However, maybe I just gonna go more around and I gonna find a way how to get walking on the field, middle of nowhere, literally. Just really wanna go to the top. Have to see it. In the normal condition in the summertime I'll go to the stairs, but cannot like that. Co to jest? Co to jest? It's the wild berries or something. Here you go. Check this out. Huh. Interesting. Quite many of them. Check this out. Almost arrived to the top. There's actually quite a lot of snow here. And soft. Alright. Almost. Have to be careful because there are also cables broken from the electricity. Probably there is no electricity in it. However, actually nest came from there. So good. Now only snow. It starts falling will be lovely. Check this out, somebody driving. Tractor probably. There is the road deep inside. Somebody walking. So they walk actually from the woods. Okay, let's go. Really. Some time ago, very long time ago, the train was going here. 100%. And now, walking. There are still railway tracks, actually. So this is railway tracks and the wooden fundaments of this, whatever the proper name is. Don't worry, no train gonna go behind me. So nice actually. Have to go and try to the edge. You see, that's life of the monkeys, of the diamonds from the monkeys particularly. I always gonna find a way to achieve the goals, no matter what. Alright. So many pine trees around, so they are like a small thing everywhere. Just walking and just realized there are some nice houses. Actually, there's some people living. Nice houses. And there's the lake. Here you go. I think this one have a private access to the lake. So nice. I wonder why they built this one here. Actually, why they abandoned? That's probably a better question. I mean, that's because of war, I believe. Many things happen after war. In some parts, probably this railway is missing. Basically, I walk down there, have to come back later on, but that's the pale. Look how empty it is. Almost the top of the viaduct. It's already tall. And this electric pail. Sorry for the wind, I didn't took the microphone. I didn't know if I'm gonna arrive here actually, or if I'm gonna even make a video here. I just like wake up and I said, okay, so I need to go somewhere, you know, wherever. And I just found on Google, I saw somewhere a picture of this viaduct somewhere some time ago. I said, okay, maybe I'm just gonna come here. 50k one way and 50 kilometers around. Not a big deal. Beautiful weather. It's -3 around, -5 snow. So cool. Walking in the snow. So now, what is it? It's not a snake. There's no snakes on this weather. Oh, here we go. There is the viaduct here. Alright. Let's have a look. No, the stairs are somewhere here. I think here. Yeah, but it's no chance I can go down. Or on the road like this one going down there also. And here are official stairs. But no chance I'm gonna climb this down. Maybe up I could make it, maybe, but down no chance. Oh, it's sunny right now. Alright. Here I go. It's actually broken here a little bit. Oh, the stairs are here actually. Exactly here. But anyways. Alright, so they are wooden. This one. Alright. And no access anymore. I mean, I could jump off from this, you know that. But I'm not gonna be brave enough to work on the middle of this one. That's 100% no chance. But here I can go a little bit. This is actually for the, not for the pedestrian technically, but more like for the, maybe for the pedestrian now. But anyways, no train gonna go here. There is no snow on the other side. Check this out. Alright, so this is the edge of the viaduct. I saw some people, this is actually, if you fall down, that's fucked up. So here, the wooden, very old, I don't know how it's called, so I call it fundaments for the railway. I don't know exactly how does it called. And there are some concrete ones, so they actually probably after war they were fixing, but the original wooden one, and they are still pretty solid actually. Some people using those. I just wonder why nobody stole it, this metal. I mean, now nobody interested, a long time ago it was worth something. And this is the edge actually of the completely aqueduct. I'm not brave enough to walk there. I know some of you, you could just peacefully walk it, but I'm sorry, I'm not brave enough for that. Not in the winter, especially not alone. But I believe people walk here. They used to walk. Imagine on this one the train was passing by, like this one. So yeah, that's cool. I wonder if will this survive if the train will go down. Probably. Not at Viseu, but probably. So yeah, it's pretty cool though. I'm gonna tell you, being on the top of the abandoned viaduct. Part of the history. And yeah, that's it. I just really wonder if the train will pass still here. I mean, if this will survive, actually the, you know, heaviness of the train. maybe. Either way, that's it. Technically, that's it. Gonna show you a little bit of the roads from this after that, maybe, and see you next one. Let me know if you drive on the snowy roads like this one, or have you seen the abandoned viaduct, railway viaduct like this one somewhere, and if so, where? Because I know most of my viewers don't experience the winter, but maybe you experience the railway viaduct or something like this one. All right, I will go down. I will see you next time. See ya, take care. Also, this is the old railway track, as there is no electrician traction on the top of it. So that was before the war, and that was I don't know exactly because I cannot find the history of this viaduct. Only people saying it will disappear soon completely. Probably somebody wants to demolish it. But generally speaking, it was for the steam trains era. So the coal inside the locomotive and the choo 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 choo. That was different times. Maybe better, maybe worse.